I have worked in the corporate sector for like 10-12 years. Before I got into comedy, 5-6 years I was in job, I worked with WNS in research and analytics, and then I started my own HR consulting firm. Just doing work. It was just getting on to me a little bit. So I wanted to try something different, so I started going to comedy open mics where you can go in and do 5 minutes of material. मतलब हिंदुस्तान में तुम एक्चुअली एक अंधा आदमी भी रेलवे स्टेशन ढूंढ सकते हो क्योंकि तुम सूंघ के ढूंढ सकते हो. Then I came across 18 plus recently as a concept, which was very interesting because here you were going out and asking the corporates that if you want to try comedy, we are opening our doors and we're giving you a stage. When we perform at corporates, we end up seeing a lot of talented people who come in and do something on stage for the company alone, but not beyond that. The open mic route, although is a great learning process, but it takes you like 1.5 or 2 years before you get a good auditorium stage to perform on. Whereas in 18 plus, we are working with comics, and you get to go on stage within 2 or 3 months of whenever you started. And so I'm really looking forward to it. We had the workshop today.
People ask me why comedy. For me, why comedy? क्योंकि मेरे को घर में बोलने नहीं दिया जाता, बीवी बोलने नहीं देती, ऑफिस में बॉस नहीं बोलने देता. So that is why I wanted a place where I can express myself. So I chose comedy, wherein I can go onto the stage and express myself in front of an audience. And 18 plus, of course, is a very, very good platform. And it gives us a chance to perform in front of a captive audience and grab some really, really good eyeballs, which might help us in our professional careers ahead.
So I thought कि जितना गम है अंदर जहन में, उसको दोस्तों के साथ बयान किया जाए. तो जब ये गम दोस्तों के साथ बांटने गया तो वो लोग हंसने लगे अचानक से. तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया हो क्या रहा है. तो किसी ने बोला भाई इसी को कॉमेडी कहते हैं.
वाई कॉमेडी? तो ऐसा कोई बहुत टफ क्वेश्चन नहीं है. अगर कोई पूछे कि तुम्हें एक्सेल शीट बनाना पसंद है या स्टेज पे खड़े होकर अपलॉजेज लेना, लास्ट लेना, तो कोई टफ डिसीजन है नहीं है. अगर कोई पूछे तुम्हें अमीरी पसंद है या गरीबी, हाँ गरीबी पसंद है. मैं ऑफिस में बैठ के काम करूँगा, बॉस की गालियाँ खाऊँगा.
This is the place where all the newbies can test the waters. Everyone is passionate about something. I am passionate about comedy.
So thank you Velocity for this opportunity. अच्छे लोग लग रहे हो तुम लोग.
So on 26th of March, we have the finale where we have all the 4 comics performing along with us. So if you want to watch this, it will be great fun. You can come to FICCI Auditorium, 26th of March, 5:45 p.m. onwards. It is a 2-hour show. It will be a lot of fun. Professional comics and our corporate contestants sharing the stage together. So book your tickets today on Book My Show. Thank you.